I, Veronica Diola Morillo, Marvin and Ivy, with your friends and family, we are to celebrate one of the last greatest moments, joining of your two hearts. Marvin and Ivy, we were once told that at the beginning, a man and a woman were created. They were joined in marriage so that each might give what the other lacked alone. So magsasamahin kayo upang magtulungan at kung hindi kaya gawin ng isa, ay magagawa na dahil dalawa na. Okay. Marvin and Ivy, today you're to see your loves with an eternal bond before this court. Everyone here present shall witness the bond of your marriage. Just confirm your union to one another. Make it a covenant of trust, limitless responsibilities, and unbroken. Mahirap ba mag-trust? Okay. So, kapag nagtiwala, kailangan ingatan nyo. Ha? Okay. If there's anyone present here is just a reason why this couple should not be united, let them speak now and forever hold their peace. Wala. Pasala na. Singala natin ito.
Wala na makakapasok.
Baka may banday pa sa baba. Okay. So, the sponsors, please, pwede pong tumayo. Samahan natin sa seremonya ang ating mga inaanak. Marvin and Ivy, kindly answer truthfully the following questions. Ivy, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of Marvin? Okay. Marvin. Natiten si Marvin, no? Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself in the love and service of your Ivy?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Na-relax na siya. Marvin and Ivy, do you promise to raise and guide as good members of the community the children that you plan to have?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So, magpapalitan po kayo ng consent, hindi na pwede umatras. Pangalawang paalala ko sa inyo. Kanina yung pumirma ako. No? Since you wish to contract marriage, Marvin and Ivy, please join your hands. Pagsamahin po ninyo ang inyong mga kamay and express your intention before me and the laws of this country. Marvin, do you accept Ivy here present to be your lawful wife according to our laws?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you give yourself to her as her husband? Okay. So now, Ivy, do you accept Marvin here present to be your lawful husband according to our laws?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So Marvin and Ivy, pagtinginan kayo sa isa't isa, pakinggan nyo na yung boses ko, no? Sa inyo lang, kayo lang dalawa. Kalimutan nyo, may mga kasama kayo. Uulitin nyo ang aking sasabihin. May you have
May you have
one heart
one heart
and one soul.
and one soul.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or poorer,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health,
sickness and health,
until death do us part. Until death.
Blessed death do us part.
Okay. Gusto niyo
Wala.
Tagalog? Dali sila. Okay. By authority vested upon me by Philippine laws, calling on all those present here as witnesses, I hereby confirm the bond of this marriage which you have contracted. Pakilabas po ang sing-sing. This ring shall remind you of your true faith and love for each other. This shall identify you as one. Kaya di ba nakasuot siya? Ibig sabihin, pag suot ng isa, may asawa na yan. Isa na lang yan. Hindi sila dalawa. So, pakilabas ang sing-sing at ibigay sa bawat isa. Ganun din, you just look at each other. Tignan niyo isa't isa. Ang isinusuot, uulitin na aking sasabihin, may portion, may ka lang, sasabihin ko naman. Sa ngayon, sabay mo na kayo, wear this ring
Wear this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my love
of my love
and loyalty.
Toyo yan.
Okay, this time, si Marvin muna. I, Marvin,
I, Marvin.
take you, Ivy,
Thank you, Ivy.
as my wife. Time, si Ivy. I, Ivy,
I
take you, Marvin,
thank you Marvin
as my husband.
as my husband.
Okay, sabay kayo pagkatapos ko. I promise
I promise
to be true to you.
to be true
Okay. In joy
in joy
and in sorrow,
and in sorrow,
in sickness
in sickness
and in health.
and in health.
I will love you
I love you
and honor you
and honor you
all the days
all the days
of my life.
of my life.
Okay, so naisuot na ba? Okay, dear friends, let us help Marvin and Ivy to be united in love so that they will live in peace. May Marvin put his trust on Ivy and recognize that she is his equal. May he always honor and love her. Let us help them to be faithful in marriage. May they even be better parents to their children. And may they live long years to see their grandchildren. And in their old age, may they have fullness of lives. Okay. So Marvin and Ivy, what lies ahead is unknown. Okay? I urge you to help each other to make the best of whatever that comes your way. You continue what is started until the end of time. How did you start? So ano ba ang pinagsimulan ninyo? So, start as friends, develop into love, kung ano man ang pinagsimulan, hanggang magkakatrela ending. Ha? Okay. So, syempre, it's important that you have to continue to love one another, be understanding, and be patient. No? Pag medyo makulit siya, lalo na nagdadala ng tao, kailangan medyo mas mabang pasensya mo, no? Huwag mo nang masyadong pabebiden si Mr. Marvin, no? So, minsan nag-iiba kasi yung hormones daw ng mga girls pagka nagdadala ng tao. Of course, ganun ka din. Ibig sabihin, buntes, kailangan maisip pasensya. That may patience din kapag si Marvin ay nagpapabili. Kasi lahat naman tayo ay babies. Di ba, nagsimula tayo as babies.
Pag babies, bigyan ng gatas yan.
May babies, di ba? Kahit may mga parents tayo, minsan din sila, ibig sabihin na nagpapanak din. Okay. You continue what you started until the end of time, as I've said. No one is perfect. Okay? Just respect each other's likes and dislikes, opinions, beliefs, and dreams. Although at times you do not understand the extent of it. Always hold on to each other and emerge as one and always together. May you have a house full of children, peaceful, stable, with a foundation of love, on which you and your children shall build your own happy lives. The ceremony is now ended. I pronounce you as husband and wife.
Yay! Sunto ka na.
So you may now give your first kiss as a married couple. Okay? No one is looking. Okay. Marvin, you may now kiss your Ivy.
Tapos na nauna na.
Okay, let us introduce the happy couple, Mr. and Mrs. Marvin Safra Velasquez.
Yay!
Okay, for the next two,
Aray ko.
picture tayo. Kung gusto nyo.
Okay.
Okay.
Sky. Ayan, pirmahan tayo na.